This is Kenneth Wong, reporter for Color 8 News. I am here at Billings West High School where they're testing the emergency warning siren system. To all the Billings viewers, what you've just heard is a test of the emergency siren system. The test runs twice a year, and apparently it was started after the Father's Day tornado last year. That was the emergency warning siren, and we are here at Billings West High School. This is Kenneth Wong signing off from Billings West. There's no need to be alarmed about this test of the emergency siren system.